Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 7th, 2020. I'm over in the work area and I wanted to give you a brief update on my health and how things have been going around here. You may be able to tell by my voice that I'm feeling much better. And indeed, each day I've been showing, on average, steady improvement. My gastrointestinal system is completely back to normal. My central nervous system appears to be back to normal. My respiratory system, I still have a ways to go. My lung capacity isn't where it should be, but I'm steadily improving. I still have no taste. I am starting to get some sense of smells at this point. My coughing has drastically reduced, and my ability to get more restful sleep has really steadily improved. Actually, even just getting up, having breakfast, having a shower, I often have to take a nap after that. Today I didn't have to do that. So I'm looking at these things as being steady improvement. My energy level is gradually improving, nowhere near back to normal level, and my, how quickly I tire still concerns me, but I have to accept that this is just part of the healing process. So overall, I'm very pleased with the progress I've made over this last week. Excuse me. And I think overall, things are going pretty well. Now, around here, I just got done. I may be sweating a little bit now, which I haven't been doing the last 48 hours. The only reason I'd be sweating right now is I just got done going through and watering all of the plants in the coop and in the work area here. I have gone ahead and pulled off many of the sweet potato slips and started those in the soilless mixture as well, so I got that done the other day. And outside, I have been able to spend some time on a riding mower doing some mowing on the property, which is, I know it doesn't take a lot of effort and all, but it's an improvement in my energy level. I have had a couple loads of wood chips delivered over the last few weeks, which I've gone ahead and gotten the front end loader with a tractor out, and we distributed those excuse me, distributed those wood chips into locations that it needed to go into. That would pretty much tire me out. And then the day before yesterday, I broke a ball joint on one of the tie rods, so I've got those parts on order. So the tractor's still out back there at the edge of the first food forest near the honey hut. What else? There are other things that I have been able to do around here, but it's pretty much minimal at this point. I do tire much more quickly than normal, but I'm certainly feeling much better, tremendously better. So for all of you who have been sending me your thoughts and prayers and positive comments and all, I drastically appreciate all of that. It really helps me feel good about being on this channel and sharing my experiences as well. I hope to go ahead and in the next couple of days share some of the things, and maybe take a walk through the first food forest. One of the things I was able to do in the first food forest was I had done some radical pruning of some of the apple trees and created a video, posted that probably a couple of weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I was able to go out, pick up lots of those components that I had pruned off, big heavy chunks of apple trees and all. And I have done a little bit more pruning of some of the peach trees, the nectarines, the plum, no plums. Yes, some plums at this point. So hopefully I'll be able to throw on the helmet cam in the next couple of days. We could take a walk out there and show you. I have some more heavy duty pruning to do in the first food forest, some of it due to the deer rub injuries of several years ago and my lack of attentiveness to doing the pruning as well. So I do want to get that done. I'll have to be replanting many of the blueberry plants, the small starts that we started last spring. So it's time to move those. We've lost quite a few over the winter months and all, and through the competition with the weeds. So I'll make a video about that as well. And I think I'll go ahead and we'll take a look at some of the living fences in another video. These are all things that I've been thinking about that I'll have the energy to go ahead and take walks over to these areas and show you what we're doing. So that's about it for this video. Again, I thank you all so much for your support during this time and sticking with the channel. You know, these sorts of things, you never know when they're going to hit you, and it really does affect everything in your life. I hope everyone's doing well. You know, it's difficult, this sheltering in place and maintaining social distancing, and I'm a firm believer that that should be done as much as possible. When you're going out into the community, please wear a mask if you have one, or scarf, something to help decrease the potential spread of this highly infectious virus. So that's all I got to say about this video. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Please stay safe, take care of yourselves, and hopefully we'll be getting back up to speed here on the homestead and the farm. Thanks so much for watching, folks, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.